Next is the diseases caused by viruses. Here some are there, and the new one to be added in this list is COVID-19 because of coronavirus, and the symptoms you all may very know well it, and how you can prevent it. You can avoid the contact with COVID patient. You can continuously sanitize yourself and don't sanitize too much. So that is the new in this list. Still there are some others. We are going through it now. So the first in the list of the diseases caused by viruses is chicken pox. Chicken pox is caused by varicella zoster virus, and the mode of transmission is direct contact with an infected person. You can generally remember or generally write the thing that in these all communicable diseases, these two can come everywhere by the direct contact with the person or through the air which we are getting from the person, by touching and sharing the things. All these will easily come under these diseases and its mode of transmission. So this mode of transmission, these three things can come everywhere for it. Then what are the symptoms in chicken pox? It is headache, which is followed by fever. There is headache, fever. Then red spots are there in our body. You all have, or I don't know all, but some of have you gone through this stage of our life. Even I had been suffering from this. Not chicken pox properly, but smallpox. Then rashes on the body and face. There are red rashes. Then what we can do is avoid direct contact with an infected person. This is the general thing you can write as prevention everywhere. See, some general things are there. What you need to remember is, the main thing you need to remember is the disease and the organism causing it. Then the mode of transmission is very general, you can write everywhere. Then symptoms are some or the other same only. Then prevention also, in prevention two things in common you can write everywhere: proper sanitation, proper vaccination, then avoiding the contact with direct person, having a healthy diet, and so these 3-4 things you can write everywhere. Then the next in the list of diseases caused by virus is jaundice. Jaundice is the disease of liver. In Hindi we say it pilia. So there is no proper causal organism for this. The mode of transmission is contaminated food and water. And this you might have seen someone or the other. The skin, the eyes and the urine, all these three turn yellow. There is fever. There is decreased appetite. Appetite means hunger or bhook. मतलब a person who is having jaundice, उसे भूख कम लगती है. There is nausea and there is vomiting. So what is the prevention? We can take properly boiled and clean water to be prevented from this. Then there is influenza. Another term for it is flu. The causal organism is myxovirus, and it is caused by air droplets. Through coughing and sneezing, if we come in contact with those air droplets, then we may suffer from this. Then the symptoms are severe cold, discharge from nose, fever, muscular pain. All these are very easy to remember. Prevention: continuous washing of hands, avoid contact with the infected person. Then common cold, it is called by rhinovirus, and it is also airborne from the droplets which travel to us through air. Then symptoms: cough, running nose, nasal congestion. Nasal congestion means some congestion like feeling, some suffocation like feeling we are feeling in our nasal tract, nose tract. Then sore throat, some irritation in the throat as well. Headache, fatigue means tiredness, thakavat. So that is fatigue. The preventions is similar to the earlier one, so I am not reading that. Next one is mumps. So mumps means swelling of the salivary glands present below the ears. For this you just Google the picture, you will easily understand this. Then there is the causal organism mumps virus. Again, if we are directly coming in contact with the things or the utensils of the infected person, then we suffer from this mumps disease because we are contracting this mumps virus. Then there is painful swelling of the salivary glands, fever and headache is there. What can be done? Vaccination and avoid contact with the infected person. Then there is polio. Polio is affecting the legs mainly, and it has been eradicated as of now, But earlier, in the earlier ages, there were many cases of polio in the earlier years. Polio is caused by polio virus and it spreads through feces. This feces is the stool or the bowels. Bowels something. Okay, stool or the bowels spreads through this and the contaminated food and water. In polio, there is high fever and paralysis of the limbs. Limbs doesn't work anymore. The prevention is vaccination. Salk's vaccine is there. Salk's vaccine, which helps in preventing polio. Then there is proper disposal of feces. Okay, this stools and bowels. You Google it, you will get it.